Hello, I am Mehul Maurya from SDJ International College, SY BCom. Today I am going to discuss the topic Wholesale Price Index and Consumer Price Index. Let's start. Wholesale Price Index, in short WPI. Inflation refers to the situation wherein money income of a community continuously increase because of increase in money supply. Inflation or inflation rate calculated as the percentage rate of change of a certain price index. The price index widely used for this are consumer price index adopted by countries like USA, UK, Japan and China, and wholesale price index adopted by country like India. Thus, inflation rate generally is derived from the CPI and WPI. Since India uses WPI method for inflation calculation, let's go in detail of WPI based inflation calculation. In this method, a set of 435 commodities and their price changes are used for the calculation. The selected commodities are supposed to represent various strata of economy and supposed to give a compressive WPI value for the economy. The formula for wholesale price index is given below. WPI equals to price of commodity in a current year minus price of commodity in preceding year divided by price of commodity in preceding year into 100. In the way in this way individual WPI values for the remaining 434 commodities are calculated and then the weighted average of individual WPI figures are found out to arrive overall wholesale price index. Commodities are given weight average depending upon its influence in economy. Wholesale price index is calculated on the base year and WPI for the base year is assumed to be 100. To show the calculation, let assume the base year to be 2010. The data of wholesale price of all the 435 commodity in the base year and time for which WPI is calculated is gathered. Let's calculate WPI for the year 2020. For a particular commodity, say wheat, assume that the price of kilogram of a wheat in 2010 is 20 and in 2020 is 30. So, wholesale price index for 2020 for wheat equals to price of wheat in 2020 minus price of wheat in 2010 divided by price of wheat in 2010 into 100. So, it will be 30 minus 20 divided by 20 into 100 which gives you 50. Our next topic is Consumer Price Index, in short CPI. The Consumer Price Index is a measure of aggregate price level in an economy. The Consumer Price Index consists of a bundle of commonly purchased goods and services. The CPI measures the changes in purchasing power of a country's currency and the price level of basket of goods and services. Calculating consumer price index and the inflation rate follow a four-step process: fixing the market basket, calculating the basket's cost, computing the index, computing the inflation rate. Most CPI index series use 1982 to 1984 as the basic of comparison. The US Bureau of Labor Statistics set the index level during the 1982 to 1984, the period at 100. An index of 110 means that there has been a 10% rise in price of market base compared to the reference of period. Similarly, an index Go indicates a 10% decrease in the price of market base compared to the reference period. The record around 80,000 items each month by contacting retailers, service establishment, rental space, and service provider across the country. Based on survey, the CPI as calculated using the following formula. Consumer price index equals to cost of market basket in given year divided by cost of market basket in the base year into 100. Thanks for watching this video. I think this video will be helpful to you.